Today, we are going to visit the St. Paul Church in Frankfurt. St. Paul's Church in Frankfurt am Main is a lovely historic building that now serves as an exhibition space and memorial. It was built between 1789 and 1833, taking the place of the medieval Barfusserkirche, which was taken down in 1786. For many years, St. Paul's was the main Protestant Lutheran church in Frankfurt until 1944, when that honor shifted to St. Catherine's Church. Today, it stands as a wonderful place to explore and reflect on history. St. Paul's Church is seen as a symbol of the democratic movement in Germany. Let's go inside and find out what this church is all about. 175 years ago, in this church, the first freely elected parliament of Germany convened. The constitution they created stands as a powerful testament to the enduring spirit of democracy in German history. It became the first national assembly in Frankfurt on May 18, 1848. On the central wall of the ground floor, a striking mural by renowned Berlin artist Johannes Grutzka vividly portrays the assembly marching towards the church. The artwork captures the determination and unity of the figures, their expressions conveying a sense of purpose and anticipation. This mural not only enhances the aesthetic quality of the space with its dynamic colors and intricate details, but also serves as a significant representation of the church's historical importance in the community, reflecting themes of resilience and hope throughout the years. St. Paul's Church might look circular at first, but it's actually shaped like an ellipse. The architects put a lot of thought into the design, creating an assembly room with a seating arrangement that's perfect for parliamentary gatherings. Quite interesting. After World War II, this church was one of the first buildings to be rebuilt in Frankfurt, and it became an important symbol of peace and democracy. The reconstruction was simple, partly because there wasn't much material available after the war, but it also showed the spirit of a humbled Germany. The architects designed it carefully, and their vision still connects with people today. During the renovation in 1988, some beautiful new windows were added that reflect the original designs, along with a brand new organ. Then in 1991, visitors were treated to the unveiling a stunning mural called The Procession of the People's Representatives to St. Paul's Church, created by the talented artist Johannes Grutzka, which can be found in the ambulatory. This church is not only an architectural gem, but also packed with historical significance. If you're exploring Frankfurt, make sure to add St. Paul's Church to your must-visit list. If you have been getting value in this channel and video, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments below and share your thoughts. Your feedback is important to me. Thank you.